Well, hello, my little kitten muffins. How are you doing today? I, for one, am super pumped, super stoked, super excited. All the synonyms is what I'm feeling today because in this video, I'm gonna be testing out, trying, swatching, reviewing the new Mooncat Hocus Pocus 2 collection that is absolutely stunningly gorgeous. It is a 6-piece nail polish set, but honestly, I feel like saying nail polish is an understatement because these polishes are so gorgeous. Mooncat actually reached out to me and asked if I was interested in trying out this collection. No strings attached, no video even required. I am filming this because when I got this package in the mail, let me tell you, I opened it up and I about fell out of my chair. I was so blown away with how gorgeous these polishes are that I was like, I gotta film a video for sure. So first, last night, I slathered them all over my toes and I was blown away. They are so beautiful. I'm not gonna show you swatches on my toes though, because sorry, no free feet content over here. No, no, no. If you weren't familiar with Mooncat, they are a nail polish company, but again, that feels like an understatement. They have different polishes of different finishes that offer multi-chromes, holographic, and magnetic polishes, which these are all magnetic polishes. So that is super fun. I glued on some nail extensions yesterday so you can like really see the length, really see the shiftiness, and I can't wait. So we're gonna be slathering my nails in that. But before we do, my name is Ashley Alex. If you do not know me, and if you want to see more beauty content from me, make sure you subscribe. You know, just tap that little button down there. If you're already subscribed, make sure that your bell notification is tapped on and you're actually getting notified when I post more videos, which is a lot. So come on down, come on yonder, come check out my beauty videos and come hang out with me. But without further ado, let's jump into it, boo, okay? Boop. So as always, before we get to swatching, using, and reviewing, let's go ahead and talk details and specifications. First of all, Mooncat, like I said, if you weren't familiar with them, they are a nail polish brand. They have beautiful lacquers. They are a small BIPOC women-owned brand. They are cruelty-free and all of their polishes are 100% vegan and non-toxic. Super exciting. For the Hocus Pocus 2 collection that we're using today, there are 6 different polishes to choose from. They will be selling them individually and as a box set. Individually, they are retailing for $16 and the box set is $99. I'll leave the website down in the description box so you can check on stock and prices and all of that. This is of course the box set that I was sent. I'm not sure if this is exactly what's going to be able to purchase, but it is so beautiful. I hope that it is, because you open it up and there are these 6 polishes. It has a little magnetic wand, and up here are some nail stickers. Sorry, right here on this side. The Mooncat Hocus Pocus 2 nail stickers are going to be retailing for $10, and they also include a little magnetic wand in the set if you purchase that as well. Okay, so here are all 6 polishes laid out, and then in my box I did get a little how to use the magnetic with these polishes since they are all magnetic activated if you so choose. You don't have to do the magnet. If you want to, you can. So we are going to try both ways. For a softer, easier cat eye, you put the magnet actually under your nail while you're applying, and then for a more dramatic cat eye, you do the magnetic on top, and you want to make sure to do it on each polish, including the top coat when you're all done. So we're going to be doing that. And like I said, I already applied these nails. Actually had to do it last night because I got babies and I'm on limited time to when I can do my nail set. So they are ready to go, baby. I want to start off with the one that I think is going to be my favorite. And this one is Black Flame Candle. It's such a cool, almost multi-chrome shift to it that I'm really stoked for that. And I love these little gemstone caps. They make it so much easier to open and they feel very luxe. Okay, and while the nail polish is wet, I'm going to take that magnet and I just want it to be like kind of diagonal, but not like the full strip. And you're supposed to hover for about 30 seconds. Look at how stinking cool that is. That is so, so pretty. So we're gonna let that sit for a minute and do a couple other shades and then I'll go back. I'm gonna be doing 3 coats all together. I did notice yesterday though when I was doing my toes that they actually dry pretty quickly, especially compared to some other brands. This next shade I'm gonna use is called Amok Amok Amok, and I'm putting it all next to the purples so we can see the differences of them as we apply. That way, in case you're on the fence about a couple different shades, hopefully this will help you decide seeing them side by side. I'm really hoping that you're able to see the different shifting flakies in here. It has almost like a purple base with a bronze shimmer infused, and then the little deeper purple flakies that are brighter, deeper and brighter. And that is so stunning. To keep it cohesive, let's pop that magnetic on while it's still wet. That magnet didn't turn out as dramatic, but I was kind of talking while it was drying, and you do need to do it right away. So keep that in mind. The next shade we're going to use is called Reclaim the Flame. That is so, so beautiful. Let's pop on that magnet. Ooh, look at how much it transforms when you pop that on. I'm gonna go do my last 2 coats on these really quickly and show you what that looks like on those 3 shades. There we go. You can see that shift a little bit more because I went in with the magnet right away, so make sure that you are doing that. That's with 2 coats and it's already very thick and beautiful, but I'm gonna go in with 1 more coat because I'm crazy like that. Okay, let's try the magnet under the nail. Let's see what kind of difference that makes. I'm gonna go in with the same black flame candle because since I'm using so many different colors, I'm gonna use these on my outer nails to kind of keep a little bit of a cohesive look. Oh, look at that. You can like actually see the magnet working as you do it. I almost like that more. It's a little bit less work. That's kind of cool. Ooh, I like that. Oh, so fun. Obviously no base coat yet, but just look at how glorious and stunning all of these polishes are. It is cool that it definitely gives a slightly different effect depending on where you place the magnet, either under while you're brushing on or the extra intensity as you put it on top. That is so cool. Okay, I'm just going in with my top coat now, and I'm going to make sure to use the magnet in the same way I did the rest. Quick shot of this side of the nails completed. Honestly, I think you can get away with 2 coats of this polish. 3 coats seems a bit excessive, but I'm committed. I'm doing it like this for now. We'll try another way next time. Okay, I went ahead and put Black Flame Candle on those other 2. Let's go in with the shade Malacca Mystica, I think is how you say it. Ooh, almost like a blue-black base. Do you see that? So yes, of course you can keep it this way, but we're gonna take the magnet and we're gonna really transform this shade. Look at that. Oh, that's so witchy. It's perfect. It is perfect. Next, let's take the shade We're Back Witches. So a very green shade, green base. Kind of like a dark blackish green base with the green glitter flakes. A little bit more of a softer transition, not as intense as some of the other shades. And the last one is the lime green shade called Dab of Newt. What's cool about this one is it's the lighter one of the bunch. You could just do 1 coat and keep it really sheer if you wanted to, but let's take that magnet, of course, see if it shifts it all for us. This one just doesn't look as dramatic as the other ones as far as the flakies and the glitters go, more of a shimmery polish. Oh, but it still did it. It still did a fun little magnet shift there. Okay, let me go do the other 2 coats and I'll show you what those look like. That's what those shades look like with all 3 coats. I gotta be honest, I was using a top coat and my top coat got really clumpy, so I'm foregoing that step for now because it was just messing up the nails. But this is looking so pretty. When I tell you, I am absolutely obsessed with these nails. They are the perfect Hocus Pocus 2 like collab collection to be with a nail polish brand. You couldn't get a more witchy looking collection, a more witchy looking polish. It's fun. It feels very magical when you go to use it. It's just checking all the boxes for me. And really quickly, I wanted to pop on some of the stickers for anybody interested in seeing that. I don't love nail stickers. I feel like they're always kind of a dead giveaway that you can see like the actual stickerness. Make sure to seal it with a top coat though if you are going to use it. But for me personally, they're a non-essential. You guys, when it comes to the shade selection for this Hocus Pocus 2 collection, I think they really knocked it out of the park with these shades, giving off a very witchy Sanderson sister vibe, and I am really enjoying that. It's so cool how each polish has its own unique shift to it, its own little glitter flakies and its own look, and I almost like that each polish can give you two different looks, whether you use the magnet or not use the magnet. You know, they're like totally different polishes. It just blows my mind. This is the kind of stuff that makes me excited for beauty, when it's very innovative and fun. I mean, I've seen magnetic polishes before, but I haven't seen formulas quite like this. And with that said, let's talk about the Mooncat quality, because this is my first time experiencing Mooncat's lacquers, and I've got to say, I'm pretty blown away. If you're familiar with the Deborah Lippmann nail polish brand, that's the closest thing in my head I can kind of compare it to quality-wise. These ones, however, are $16, where Deborah Lippmann is 22 or more. It's been a year since I bought that polish brand, so I can't, like, I don't know what the polish prices are now, but the quality is there. You definitely feel the difference between this and some other like drugstore brands. This formula is the perfect viscosity. It's just the right amount of thickness where you feel like you're getting an opaque polish, but you're not getting clumpy. It's not too thick, but it's not watery and runny and patchy. It's the perfect smooth finish. I like that with shades like this green one, you can do it more sheer if you want to go that route, which is really fun, or you can layer it up and get a lot of bang for your buck. So I think that there's a lot of versatility that comes with this, and I'm very excited. Of course, I cannot speak to wear time. It says it lasts up to 2 weeks. Because they were so nice going on, I can foresee that being almost the case. I'm pretty rough with my nails, so I'll have to do a check-in, let you guys know how long they lasted on me. But just quality-wise, even just the bottles themselves, they feel like a high quality polish, a high price point polish, but I think that that price point being at $16 is really nice, because I almost feel like they could charge more, but I'm happy that they don't. I would feel okay going and picking up a few bottles of these for 16 bucks. And with that said, I'm gonna go check out their collection and see what they have on the roster, because I know that there's some more amazing polishes that they have, and I'm gonna have to get their top coat because mine is a Dudley Dud and it's seen better days and it's clumpy. So thank you so much for stopping by today and checking out my video of me swatching, reviewing, trying this new Mooncat Hocus Pocus 2 collection. Let me know if you want to see more nail videos from me in the future. I have a few up on my channel. Oh, I have a pretty good amount, like a nice little handful, and I'm always interested in trying new stuff. So let me know if you like that, and subscribe so you don't miss out on my other future videos like makeup and beauty and skincare and all that fun stuff. But I gotta go. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you guys next time. Okay, bye!